Pandas, 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 pandas. Come on, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody.
$2,500 tick trap. $2,500 tick trap. Target filled. Target filled.
Pandas. Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I had to put on mute. Daytrader, good morning. Benali, Hawk, good morning. Jamil, good morning. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Ugh. Pandas. We're going to take a break from the funded accounts. We're going to trade sim a little bit. Just a little bit. Got to punish myself. Trading sim. Maybe got to make like $10,000 or something. We're going to trade sim a couple days. It's so bad.
2,500 tick trap.
Yesterday I basically had like one big trade and
2,500 tick trap.
towards the end of the day I went long here on the second push up from the bottom of the trading range, and I had my target at this red line, and it missed it by missed it by 2 points to get to this target, and it just reversed on me. So with that trade, like I almost basically came out of the hole completely with this trade. I just tried to go long here. I had like 25 points in the bag, but when this was developing, this was a super strong bull bar, and I was like, surely we'll hit the top of this trading range, surely, and it just wham reversed on me big time, and it took me out. So yeah, accounts got busted, unfortunately. So today we're trading sim. I mean, it's small probation for me. I mean, honestly, it's last like MLK half day destroyed me. Then the day after that, yesterday basically, I didn't do me any favors. And then before that, last week also had very rough trading. So I'm gonna slow down a little bit. I'm gonna slow down a little bit, pandas. Let's get our bearings back. You know what I mean? Let's get our bearings back a little bit. Whew, it was rough though, pandas. I mean, I think like trading wise, I still have lots of issues with choppy days, and it's like yesterday I was trying to trade semi aggressively because there is a consistency rule of how much you can lose, and it's like a 30% consistency rule on the other side too, if you didn't know that. So I don't know how hard and fast that rule is, but I believe if you lose more than 30%, then your account profits, for instance, basically 1,500. If you lose more than 1,500 in that day, then then I think the consistency rule applies, and they'll consider that like you have to basically make more than 5,000. So you can't really lose more than 1,500 per day either. So I was trading pretty aggressive yesterday, and because of that, like I put myself in a bad position, bad situation. I guess like first off, MLK Day, like I lost way too much money. I lost 1,800 on MLK Day on a half day of trading. I have no business trading so much on a half day. I gotta just already set a rule on those half days, just because it's like it's so bad. The volume's so low, and there's just no reason to put so much exposure out for myself. So I might put a rule in, maybe no more trading or just sim on half days from now on. I got the payout city already before, so these are it's house money, but still sucks. Still sucks a lot. Nice thing about sim, you can have runners and stuff. Nice thing about sim, you don't care how much money you lose. That's the real nice thing about sim. Once we break this low, it's absolutely dead. This trade. It was an inside bar in the 5-minute chart, right? OI pattern. This is what I was trading. Gets crushed. Of course. Yeah, everyone sim trading is like, you're the best trader ever. But you also do like weird stuff like go like 100 contracts in, keep doubling up one way. I mean, I might as well buy down here. Like, to be honest. It's something you can't do in a regular trading just because it's too much risk. Too difficult. Looks like I got your short forming here. Looks very choppy. Looks like it's gonna go sideways for a while.
$2,500 tick trap.
Looks like I just short here. Bottom of the trading range, maybe back to the top of the trading range, possibly. This trading range is probably more accurately looks like this. Didn't get very far, that push up. Okay, it's getting really sideways. Getting very sideways now. Hopefully push up and just break through.
Target filled.
Hit that target. All we have are runners now. A bunch of runners coming up above. If we do break out, we have a chance to catch it. I mean, I wish like the market could actually look like this when we're trading. Sim today. I may switch to micros. I may switch to micros. Nas micros. Maybe. But I don't know if it's worth. Just so I can have runners and stuff. And I can scale in properly. How about this? On choppy days, I switch to micros so I can like scale in. Does that make sense? Like choppy days, if I sense it's choppy, just change to micro so I can scale in properly. That makes so much more sense. I thought we were gonna like, oh wow, I thought we were gonna break out, but we're getting quite far above the range. Basically get knocked down at this pivot high over here. All right. Well, our runners didn't make very far. We got our core, so that's fine. Yeah, I need to calm down. Need to calm down. I mean, it's just last couple days have been pretty bad. I mean, it was a half day, and yesterday was like choppy AF. You know what I mean? I might as well go short here, actually. A lower high. Is it worth coming back to the bottom of the trading range here? We get knocked back down perfectly at this level. It's been a failed breakout. Maybe we'll come back in the trading range. Maybe I should. Maybe I should trade with micros on like choppy days. Far better trade here. Should have waited for this one. Should have waited for this trade. Looks like it might come to me anyways. Yep. Oof. All right. Fair enough.
2,500 tick
I thought we were
trap.
coming back into our trading range back to the bottom. 3 pushes down. Reverses. This might break out now. Like, you almost just want to buy anywhere. It's like, it does the opposite of what Dow's going to do, and it's just, you just got to jump in, huh?
2,500 tick trap.
Imagine if you're like going short here and you keep scaling in to get out, just how scared you are, right? If you were like, okay, this is trading range, I'm going to keep scaling, I'm going to keep selling up here. But imagine you were in that situation, if you're just trying to sell, keep selling everything. And you would probably buy here, or you probably sell here. This is where I could come in. Every time I break up previous candles low, I'm coming in. All the bears, or all those who are trying to bank on the trading range, are getting crushed right now.
Target
There it
filled.
is. And like they got stopped out right there, I think. Like all their stop orders got triggered right there, which caused that huge push up. Big push up. Ooh, come back in. One. Quite a strong move down. You're looking for another push down after this big bear bar. Almost want to skunk this. Skunking on sim is wild, huh? But almost do want to skunk this. I mean, unless we get a second entry long, then we're doubling up.
Target filled.
Just imagine if you were like trying to get out break even at this point. Just imagine you're trying to come out break even at this point. And you're seeing this. Just this rise. Just imagine if you're trying to come out break even, or trying to keep selling to scale back in. Just imagine you being in that situation. Which for me is easy to imagine because I've been in that situation many times. And just how you would feel every time you see these strong bull bars. You're like, all right, you're dead. You're dead every single time. That's what they're feeling right now. All the bears are trying to come up break even. Somebody take me out. Yep. Alright, comes up break even. I'll take it. Ugh. Yeah, wow. Just imagine. Just imagine if you're like trying to keep going short to come up break even. You're getting killed right now. Absolutely killed. You're trying to trade opposite of those people. How many times can you DCA? You can DCA as many times as you want. They took away that rule. They took away the scaling rule. They took away the scaling rule and also the bracket order rule. So you can scale in as many times as you want on Apex. We're 3-1 right now. Not so shabby. Not too shabby. Let's make 10K today. I mean, we're just unstoppable uptrend. Right? You do not go short in this situation ever. It's just it's an uptrend. Pandas, I'm on Apex. I'm on Sim today. Expander says 40,000 Apex payout approved and transferred. They pay fellas exactly. Congratulations. So a lot of people complain about Apex, but I mean, if you just stick to the rules, you get paid pretty well. 40K? Congrats. That's pretty nice. I haven't had a 40K payout in a while. It's been a long time. Big push up here. All the shorts are getting squeezed right now. $20-50K accounts. Congrats. I'm just more amazed you're making money on markets like the last few days. That's the amazing part. I don't know how people are trading on days like MLK half day and even yesterday. Yesterday nonsense. This was the day. This was pretty much streaming how it looked like. That's how it was during stream yesterday. Very difficult day. I might just buy every push up here. What am I doing with myself? I need to jump on this train. You know it's bullish when you can't even come back down to this level. I mean, we are flying. Look at the high or low here on the daily chart. This is just flying. Like, we're gonna make new all-time highs soon. I'd be very surprised if we don't make new all-time highs, to be honest. See, why can't when I trade, why can't it just be a day like today? Just go long, you make money. I guess that's part of the skill, right? Just to recognize when it'll be days like today, where you just buy and you'll make money type situation. We can't even break a previous candle's low. That's how bullish we are right now. That's how strong the limit order bulls are. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 hits, exact same spot. This is absolutely incredible. Inside bar. Okay. I mean, I feel like I just gotta buy somewhere. Just gotta get in. I don't even care. I just gotta get in. It's pushing so hard. I'm just gonna get in. Wide stop. Keep scaling in. We haven't broke a previous pivot yet. Just keep buying and see what happens. Buy at the end of every candle. Just buy it. We're in that situation right now. Yes, we are. Press your luck. Wide stop. The magic of sim.
$2,500 tick trap.
I mean, it's one of those situations. If we do have a pullback, most likely the pullback will be small.
$2,500 tick trap.
This is gonna be a banger.
$2,500 tick trap.
Sorry, Panis. I'm like on and off on my mute. There's some distracting noises in the background. I don't want you guys to like necessarily hear. So no, I mean Apex pays. I've never had an issue with getting payments from Apex, ever, really ever. I got denied one time, but it was legitimate. They said I flipped too many days, which was true. I was just flipping micro. I was flipping minis instead of micros, and I wanted to test to see if that counted. Apparently it does. Big drop down. 2 legs down, honestly. We're going to try to make some bamboo here. My stop wasn't wide enough. I wasn't ready for a move down like that. That was wild. Could be entering a limit order market, but we'll see. I heard they have a list of people with good track records. If you follow the rules before and have gotten many payouts with them, they approve you faster. Wow. Well, I guess I'm one of those. Doesn't mean much though if I can't get my S together. If I can't get my S's together, doesn't mean anything. I could be considered the greatest trader in all of Apex history, but if I can't get my S together, then doesn't mean anything. Wow. Yeah, you trade great for a long time. And it's just those 1 or 2 days that just knock you down. And those 1 or 2 days are always like very choppy days.
2500 tick trap.
Are we looking for another leg down? Possibly. Quite possibly looking for another leg down here. $2,500 take chart. It was a move straight down to the 20 EMA with 13 pushes up. Got a little greedy. Got a little greedy there. I mean, I guess a 1-to-1 at least here. That's what you're looking for. At least a 1-to-1. The 1-to-1 is all the way up here. Jeez. On this How high can you fly? How high can you fly? Possibly entering a trading range. This big up or big down, big up could turn to a trading range. Could. Really could.
$2,500 tick trap.
Sorry for the muting. I gotta stay quiet for a little bit here. Lots of background noises, if you know what I mean. I think my trading career is over, Panda. I was getting consistent payouts with Apex, but then banned me last summer because I went postal on them in an email for always sabotaging my market data. Okay. Why don't you just use another prop firm? Just don't use Apex. They're not as consistent anymore. I mean, maybe you're just having a rough patch in your trading career. It's happening. It's happened to me. Last year happened to me basically. Last year was very difficult for me. I don't know. I mean, it happens. I don't know why it's the end of your career. I mean, I'm just saying, like, I've gone. I mean, especially if you had consistent payouts, that's a good sign that you know what you're doing. Whoa!
2,500 tick trap.
All right, getting the push up I thought we were gonna get. Is that one more here? Let's have some really good runners here. A 4, 3, 4. We're flying high, pandas. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? 4 to 5. 2. Another 5. go like this. 6, 4, 2, 1. That makes sense. Ah, jeez. Another one up here. What in the world? All right. Let's keep our 8 together. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Looks nice. I just wouldn't short this. I wouldn't short this situation. This is the hardest part about sim trading. Getting all your orders, moving all your orders around. So difficult. Sim trading is so hard. Hopefully we get to the core, which is a 1-to-1 on this trade. It's a 2,500 tick, basically second entry long. Second entry long, starting from here. And we're basically looking for the 1-to-1. I guess this is the 1-to-1 here on the second entry long, right? It's big bull bar here. There's lots of risk, but lots of reward. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? All right, let's see. Can we hit all our orders? This will be incredible, wouldn't it? What an if all these orders get hit, that would be absolutely incredible. Pandas can dream. Okay, spike channel, breaking the channel, first time. Should have another push up here. It should, but maybe not. You think these pullbacks scare me? Nothing scares me. I have the ultimate power called sim trading.
2,500 tick trap.
But still, markets are moving pretty nicely right now. I mean, much nicer than they were last couple weeks or last 2 weeks. Maybe last say 5 days of trading days. We're kind of stalled out here though, not gonna lie. If it reverses here, feels like an entry long. Could be a decent trade here. Because it's starting to look like it's losing momentum.
$2,500 tick trap.
Bars are starting to overlap on the higher time frames. 2,500 tick chart, right? All these bars are starting to overlap, making it more sus. 5-minute chart also, right? Lots of wicks. Lots of wicks here. All right. Hopefully we get the push soon. I'm going to write a book about my trading failures called Broken Monitors, Broken Dreams. Let's do it. My monitor is always broken. I'll tell you right now, do not buy the Samsung Odyssey G8 or whatever it's called. This monitor, it's a 48-inch, 49-inch monitor. Do not buy it. It is a headache. It's nice when it works, but when it doesn't, it is a headache. What is happening right now? Ooh. This is just going sideways. Completely sideways. Most likely going to go up, but going sideways for now. It's turning more 50-50 as more time passes. Pushing down. Maybe it's going to start reversing here. I still feel confident that the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart will act as a strong support here. So I think we're safe in our trade. Right, the 20 EMA has just been a beast so far on this time frame. But it's just going completely sideways right now. All the action happened overnight, huh? That's what it seems like. The overnight price action is great. I mean, this is what it was overnight. Look at this move. Literally buy anything, make money. Fails second entry long. Could be okay trade here. Because it looks like we're starting to lose momentum here. So fail second entry long does trigger. Could bring us down quite a bit. We'll see. But again, it's so choppy. Even the fail second entry longs, who knows? When it's this choppy, just don't know what's going to happen.
$2,500 tick trap.
It might look like I'm taking a lot more risk than my reward, but it's because I kept scaling in. My actual entry was right here, my first entry. The initial trade started here. You can see I started scaling in all the way up. This technically is the break-even point, though. Where it has a marker right now, it's a break-even point. Because I scaled in so many times. Alright, what are the chances it comes all the way back down here? Is there a high chance it comes all the way back down here? I don't think so. We'll find out. The fail second entry long was a decent trade, like I mentioned. But the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart just seems too strong. I feel too safe with the 20 EMA here on the 2500 tick chart. I feel so safe there. Okay, pushing down. With this wick on the 2500 tick and retrace into it, I mean, it just feels like trading range. I don't know. We're going to scale in again here, going long. Can you say the uptrend is over, though? Can you say like we've officially converted to a trading range? Second, you're short. But in this situation, I don't think it means much. Could be a decent trade though. Who knows? You're technically on this trend line. Huh. Does trigger with outside bar reversal. No, thank you. Okay, it does trigger, second to short. Decent push. Decent initial push. Bulls trying to buy it up. Limit order bulls trying to buy it up. Most likely make a new low here. Most likely, but who knows? Again, I still feel pretty protected with the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart. I mean, if it takes me out, it takes me out. You know what I mean? Literally no harm done. Literally no harm done, which is the best part about this.
2500 tick trap.
But, Pans, if it works out, I'll tell you what. We have entered into glory. I'm trading minis. Trading minis here. The premise is this. We're going up. That's our premise. Trading range may start to develop here, looks like. We have enough chop for it to happen. Surely we do. Okay. Could be in downtrend now. Could be. I would still feel somewhat safe. Just continue to buy with a wide stop. OI pattern created on the 2500 tick chart. No clue what's happening here. Pushing up. This channel is pretty strong, actually. Like, it hit it like 3 times. Another second just short off the 20 EMA. Could this be the one that breaks us down? Who knows?
Five-minute trap.
$2,500 tick trap.
Well, this market really likes this channel right now. It actually almost retests up here. Pushes down very hard off at the top of the channel. OII pattern 2500 tick chart. OII outside, inside, inside, and breaks that downside. This could push down. 20 EMA obviously not holding up anymore on the 2500 tick chart. Curious to see what happens, but it's loving this channel. I'll tell you that much. Is the market just loving this channel right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits. Pandas, we have a dream. We have a dream. Will it come true? Uh-oh. With all my powers combined. Never mind. I thought we were going to pop up. I thought we were going to have a fail second entry short right there. Ooh, maybe still viable. All right, we're in. Bam, 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 bam. All right, if we don't move now, Pandas, I don't know when we will. If this is not it, Pandas, I don't know when it will happen. If this is not it, Pandas, I don't know when it will be. Oh. Oh, dang, it took me out break even. Oh, Pandas, that's annoying. All right. That was my mistake. I wasn't paying attention. The hardest part about sim trading is moving all your orders around. That's the hardest part about sim trading. If you don't believe me, try it yourself. It's actually pretty difficult and pretty annoying. Pandas, if we don't move now, I don't know. I don't know when we will move. If we don't move now, I don't know when it will be. Just an easy 50 contracts. We're doing great, Pandas. Oh, I'm ready for you this time. I am ready for you this time. Also ready for you. Pandas, we just need to reach our goal here, our core, and then we'll move everything to break even. We just need to reach the core here. We're so close. We're so stinking close, Pandas. We're so absolutely stinking close to hitting our core. Can we get it? Is the question. If it doesn't happen now, I just don't know when it's going to happen. If it's not now, I don't know when it'll be. Pandas, if it isn't now, I don't know when it will be. Pandas, we're so close. If it isn't now, pandas, I don't know when it will be. It has to be now. It has to be soon.
$2,500 tick trap.
Uh-oh. That's not good. If it's not now, pandas, I don't know when it will be. It has to be now. This is where the line is drawn. If it's not gonna happen now, this trade is taking too long, and it's gonna grow sour. Can we get it? One final push. I think this is it. I think this is it. I think this one might be it. We might be dead. It had its chance to go. It didn't. It didn't take its chance. It didn't take the opportunity. We've been completely sideways for several minutes now, almost for 45 minutes.
2,500.
We've been absolutely sideways, and I don't know if we're gonna make it. I don't know if we're gonna make it, pandas. I thought that was gonna be the move. I thought it had to happen there. If it hasn't, then it's just taking way too long. Oh, oop! I take all my words back. Pandas, this is the one. This is the one. This is it. Come on. This has to be it. If it's not this, pandas, I don't know when it will be. I just don't know when it will be. Pandas! It's breaking out. I think a lot of traders were waiting for this. I think a lot of traders were waiting for this moment. A lot of bulls were. So close, pandas. So close. We're holding. Hold. 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 Just an easy 50 contracts, you know what I mean? Just the usual 50. Hold, pandas, hold. We got this. We got this, pandas. We got this. Hold! Hold! One last push up. That's all we need. One last push up. Come on. I know you have it in ya. I know you have it in ya. So hard to get these lines right on top of each other. What in the world? It's like I'm playing Counter-Strike or something, trying to get a headshot. Ba 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 ba. All right, pandas, this is it. One final push. Can we get it? Ah. I think this is it. This has to be it, pandas. If this doesn't hit, I just don't know when it's gonna happen. Oh, pandas. Oh, what? Why? Nah, that's just a trick. Don't mind that. Just stay vigilant. We're within our channel here. It's looking great. Above the 20 EMA. Everything's looking smooth sailing. Everything looks like smooth sailing here. We're gonna hit it. Hit our target. I believe. I believe. Quick $20,000 being made. Oh boy. That's not good. That is not good. That is not good. That's not what we want to see. At the end, all I'm looking for is a 1-to-1 on this trade. And it's just taking a bajillion years. Look at the price action right now. Look at the price action right now. This is just, it's taking a bajillion years to get this trade finished. Don't mind the flush. That's just part of the journey. Don't mind this flush. It's part of the journey, pandas. Just let it go. Stay vigilant. And hold. I mean, I'm pretty much in a place where either I'm going to lose this or win this. That's it. There's no in between right now, pandas. There's no in between right now. Don't mind the flush. That's a healthy pullback. A nice healthy pullback in this uptrend. Looking for a new high now. That's what we're looking for, a new high. It's a healthy pullback. It is a very healthy pullback. I'm going to keep saying it until it does go back up. It's a healthy pullback, pandas. Easy peasy. I'll tell you what, though. The market is looking wild right now, though. I mean, it became very difficult. It was easy back here when I was just going long. And then it became very difficult. Like, this is all very difficult trading. I don't think it's easy for anyone. You gotta, I guess, kind of do what I'm doing. Pandas? Is this the one? Shoryuken! Shoryuken! Come on. You can do it. I believe. You can do it. Come on. Sometimes you gotta just cheer the market on. It just needs a little encouragement. Go up. That is the wrong way. I think we're looking good here, though, Pandas. Doesn't it look good? Doesn't it look like it just wants to do one more nice, strong push-up? One more strong push-up. Healthy pullback, right? Healthy pullback is what we're looking for, which that was. It's a nice healthy pullback. I say that mainly because
2,500 tick
here's a
trap.
breakout area. We came back to retest it. We didn't close beneath it. We closed above it, bounced off of it. That's why I thought this was a nice healthy pullback. And Pandas, the moment you've all been waiting for is coming up. Get ready. Get ready. We're hitting our target. We're so stinking close. And it's looking good, right? It's looking powerful. It's looking like it wants to do a nice Shoryuken. 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 Come on. Just need one push up here. One final push. We just need to break this little resistance here. Little teeny resistance along the way. Never hurt anyone. Just makes you stronger. Pandas. The next reversal up, I think, is the one. I think this is it. Get ready. What in the world? Why? Why would you do that when you're so close? Oh, man. All right, what's happening now? What's happening now? Goodness gracious. Another deep pullback? Do we need another one of these? Is it necessary? Is it actually necessary, another deep pullback here? It looked decent. It looked like it wanted another nice push up here. Maybe right now. Maybe right now this is what I was waiting for. Just a nice little pullback, right? Higher highs, higher lows. That's what we're looking for. Need one more push up here. I don't know, Panis. I think if we can't get it now, I just don't know when it's going to happen. We tried again. We made a double top. It's looking like it could blast off here, but who knows? It's becoming 50-50 as every candle forms. More and more 50-50 here. That's a deep pullback for no reason. Absolutely out of deep pullback out of nowhere. Could this be the one? We're beneath the 20 EMA now. Still above the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart. And we're just grinding on the 25 or the 50 the 20 EMA, sorry. 20 EMA.
5-minute trap.
Ooh. Bear trap. Easiest bear trap ever. Come on. You got this. Come on. Push up. Push up. Shoryuken. Come on. Whoa. Whoa. We got this. We've been in this trade for a bajillion years now. It's actually crazy how long we've been in this trade for. I think finally we're going to hit it. This is it, Pandas. We just needed one more pullback out of nowhere. Just to get enough juice to break out, bust out of this little resistance. Are you ready, Pandas? Are you ready? What in the world? Pandas! We got this! The final push up right here. Here it is. Are you ready, pandas? The final push up is waiting right around the corner. This is. What kind of market is this? I mean, honestly, pandas. I mean, good luck if you're trading this. But here we go. Final push. Shoryuken!
Five-minute trap.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What in the world is going on right now, pandas? This is just... I don't know. I think we're dead here. I think it's going to actually come all the way back down and take me out now. Like, I think it just had so many opportunities to break out and never did. And I feel like because of that, it just shows that there's no more bulls here. And that this is going to come all the way back down and actually stop me out. Like, that's what I feel like actually will happen right now. Just because the timing, like, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4 times broken out. We failed every single time. So now I feel like the opposite is going to happen big time. And we may get crushed here. It may actually stop us out. It may come all the way back down here. All of that work, grinding up, inch by inch, tick by tick, all for naught. Or is it? Or is it, pandas? I don't know how long I can do this for. I don't know how long I can do this for. I don't know how long I can do this for, pandas. Ah. Like, I really feel like it's going to come all the way back down because it had so many opportunities to break out. It never did. Just showing you the intentions of the Bulls. Not really there. They're very weak here. And I just think we may actually get stopped out here. Even though we were so close, we may just get stopped out. But, I mean, when you're 150 contracts deep, I mean, you got to try, right? When you're 150 contracts deep, you got to try.
2500 tick trap.
This market's absolutely dead, though. I'll tell you that much. This is just untradeable. Untradeable right now. Untradeable. Um, I think I'm gonna end this at 11. There's not much we can do here. I'm gonna end this at 11 because this is just torture. The market's completely drained. It's completely dead right now, and I don't know. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Completely dead. It is completely dead, actually.
2500 tick trap.
Market is completely dead. Trap trade on the 2500 tick chart. Could be nice, but who knows? It's just a big trading range at the moment. Hard part about this trading range is that it is not symmetrical. It's a triangle that broke to the downside now. Kind of like I mentioned, the fact that it couldn't break out the 1, 2, 3, 4 times here in a row made me feel like the opposite was going to happen. We're just going to reverse here. I think it's quite a sight to see if we do get stopped out to show you really anything can happen in the market. Even though you're so close to your target, it can come all the way back down, reverse, and take you out. Like anything can happen in the market. It's just goes to show. I really like to see this out and show everyone here really the market can do whatever it wants, despite your will.
2500 tick trap.
Pandas, I think that's it. I can't handle this anymore. I don't know if I want to stick around. Even if we do hit our target now, like, do I really want to go through all of this again just to see? It might be like next 3 hours. Who knows? The way this market's moving, who knows how long it'll take to get here. Probably eventually we will come back up here, but I just don't think it's worth. This is way too long. All right, pandas. Obviously, we're on sim right now. We'll jump back on funded accounts soon. I just need to take a small break, and especially on markets like this, which I'm glad I am taking a small break because the markets have been absolute trash right now, and I think even for me, like to see this market, it's kind of like if I traded on my funded account, I would probably lost money today again, which sucks. Which actually sucks.
2500
But
tick
the
trap.
problem is that, you got to go through it to learn how to trade these markets. Even though markets like these are very difficult, super choppy, lots of overlap, very slow, low volume, erratic movements. It's kind of like you got to learn. Got to learn to do it somehow. But unfortunately today, I probably would have lost some money today. I would have made like tons of money here, but then when it starts to do this, yeah, I would have lost money for sure. All right, friends, we're gonna end it here. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. We'll probably sim again tomorrow, and then maybe sim again on Friday the rest of the week. Next week we may jump back to funded accounts after I feel like I've shaken off whatever is coming over me. Whatever's come over me, I gotta shake it off. And yeah, we'll get it. But pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9:50 a.m. Eastern time. Hope to see you guys there. With all that being said, pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.